Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now by unplugging and placing the lightning cable on a flat, well-lit surface so you can see the problem area. Use a toothpick or needle to clear lint from the connector slot. This restores contact and often fixes intermittent connections. Once done, inspect the sheath where it meets the plastic head. That flex point is the usual failure. Make sure to note whether the wire moves independently of the connector, because that tells you if you need reinforcement versus internal repair. You now create strain relief to prevent future loosening. If the insulation is intact, lightly scuff the plastic near the joint so adhesive grips better. Avoid scuffing exposed conductors. Then slide a heat shrink sleeve over the connector, heat evenly to shrink it, and position it to bridge cable and plug. If you lack heat shrink, wrap tightly with flexible electrical or silicone tape, overlapping by half. This rebuilds the taper and reduces flex where wires break, restoring reliable contact and durability. You finish by plugging the cable into power and your device, then gently flex near the repair while watching charging indicators. A steady connection means success. If you still see flicker, make sure the device port is clean and try a different charger to isolate whether cable or charger is faulty. If the connector shows internal damage or exposed wires, replace the cable rather than risk damage. If you decide to disassemble the connector, proceed only with proper tools and steady hands, otherwise replace it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.